Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby channel, and in this video we're gonna take a look at the GQ foam tires for Mini-Z rear-wheel drive. I got these tires from Italy and they cost something like 10 euros a set. From the looks of it, I think there are 4 wheels and tires inside, so let's open it up and see what we got. Yes, there are 4 inside. Yes, there are 4 tires and wheels inside. And seems like the tires are pre-glued. So that's fantastic. I'm gonna cut it and take it out of the package. I got 2 sets of these. 1 set of wide tires and 1 set of narrow tires. So let's take a look. Alright, so these are wheels for rear-wheel drive, as you can see from the slot, and the tires are pre-glued, so you don't have to worry if they're gonna come off, because they won't. By the way, the reason that I got the foam tires are because I live in a very small room, so the only way I can drive my car is with the foam tires. So I used to use these Tamiya resistant tires, which, as you can see, they are pretty big, and I don't have a tire thrower, so I can't trim them down. And the best solution is to get one that it is direct fit with the car. And then I found these GQ tires, which, from the looks of it, it is fantastic. I don't know how long they have been doing this, but I think I have seen this brand from like many years ago, so they must have been a very well established tires manufacturer, and I'm so glad that they make one for Mini-Z as well. The tire compound is very soft, and it seems like it got a lot of grip too, so I'm gonna test this later. Yeah, it seems like it has about the same grip, if not better than the resistant tires I used to use. So let's open up the front tires. By the way, the tires I got very soft at the back and soft for the front, because you should use the lower grip at the front and higher grip at the back to avoid oversteer. Again, this looks great. I'm gonna test this set in my Mini-Z first, and the spare set I'm gonna put it in my Mini QQ too. Again, the wheels look very nice, and the tires are very grippy. So let's put them on the car and go for a test drive. For the front wheels, take the nut out, and don't forget that you'll have to take the bearings out and put them in the new wheels. There are 2 bearings on each side of the wheel. So just push it in like that, and also this one, push it in. Perfect. Now put the wheel on the shaft. The wheel seems to be very well balanced as well, so that's a good thing. Now when you put the wheel nut in, don't over tighten it. If it is too tight like this, you'll have to let it off a little bit until it can spin freely, like so. Probably a bit more. No. There we go. So repeat the process on all of the wheels. Just a little bit more. There we go. So let's see if it fits inside the shell, because the mini 4-wheel tires won't fit. And by the way, there are many offsets to choose from, so pick the offset that will work with your car. It looks really nice. So yeah, they look really nice on the car. So let's do the back wheels. Well, at the back it is a little bit easier because you don't have to do much. You just tighten it until it is on the car. You don't have to check the you don't have to check if it is spin freely, because it is on the shaft and the shaft will take care of that. Nice. Oh, by the way, I have this outer adjusted ball differential, so it is going to be a little bit tricky to do, because these are all attached. These are all attached to the wheels, so I have to be very careful when pull it out, like that, and then put it back in the slot. I think I got it. So now put the wheel in. Okay, and I'll have to put all these spacers back in, as well as the bearing. Ooh, it is a little bit tricky to do. That's it. Now put the bearing in first, and then spacers. Actually, you don't have to do this if you use the other differentials that is different than mine, because this one is a little bit different. I got it. It was probably the last one in the stock, so I didn't have a choice but to buy it. And then it is not really smooth, so let it off a little bit to adjust the diff tension. Seems to be alright. So let's see if my car is working. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, by the way, before I go for a test drive, let's put the shell on and see how it looks. No rubbing, no nothing. This looks promising. Nice. Now let's go for a test drive and see how they perform. Well, these are really good, even though it is a little bit bouncy, but I like it. I like it a lot. And I have been driving for quite some time now, but it doesn't lose the grip. As you can see here, I have very good grip, and it doesn't lose the grip over time because you know, this is just a regular room floor, so it is going to have a little bit of dust no matter how I clean it. But with these tires, the car performs really well, and I highly recommend them if you want to run a car inside your house. Thanks so much for watching, and see you again next time.